Hello and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today we will recreate the color grading from tonimahfud. As you can see here on his Instagram, he color grades all his images the same way. More like a brownish, reddish type of tone and combined with like a little bluish, teal type of look. And yeah, we will recreate this today in Lightroom. And I have chosen this image, and for reference I will use this image here on the left side from Tony. And yeah, I would say let's get started. So first we will start with the basics. We will bring the temperature down to -10. Next we will give it some contrast to +31. The highlights we will bring to -10. Shadows to +40. The whites we will bring to -10. And the blacks to also -10. Following, we will give it a tiny bit of clarity, not a lot. We bring it to +10. And the saturation we will lower already a little bit to -20. So this is it for the basics. Next we will work with the HSL color panel, and we'll start with orange. And we'll bring orange, the hue, all the way to -100. The saturation we will bring to 20. And the luminance we'll leave as it is. Next we will go to yellow. And we will here bring also the hue all the way to -100. The saturation we'll bring to 30. And the luminance to -10. Next is the green color. We will bring again everything to -100. And the saturation will leave as it is, and luminance will bring down to -27. Next is going to be aqua, where we're just gonna adjust the saturation a tiny bit. We'll bring it to -60. And the blue, the same, we will only change the saturation to -40. And last but not least, purple, we will only bring the saturation down to -30 as well. And this is it for HSL and color. And as you can see, we achieved already a big change. Next is going to be split toning. We will bring the highlights to about 57. Which is going to be like an orangey warm type of tone. The saturation we will bring to 11. The shadows we will bring to 215. To give it like this cool bluish teal type of look. And saturation we will bring to 12. And then we will change the balance to +40. And this is it for split toning. You can see mostly like around the rocks area, a little change of color. And next is going to be the calibration. Here we will start with the red primary colors. We will change the hue to 70, +70. And the saturation we will bring to 3. And the green primaries we will take to the negatives to -90. And the saturation we will bring to -80. Next is going to be the blue. We will leave the hue, but the saturation we will bring down to -20. And this is the finished look. As you can see, comes very close to the color grading from tonimahfud. And yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe, leave a like to not miss any future Lightroom tutorials. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.